Here's the video of my Lasco table fan. Now it's been sitting up there and it's pretty dusty. I had to wipe it off. You can see on the blades how it's been resting in that one spot. Look at that bunch of dust. It's ridiculous. Yeah, these fans get pretty dusty after a while. This one's been up there for about half a year, so I haven't run in a while. So here it is on low. I will show it on oscillation, but really only on high. You can see how much dust it has. You can actually see different portions of it, of the blade spinning. It's not as quiet as that one. Not getting rid of that one. Pretty powerful though. See, I'll put my other Emerson on beside it, just to see the quality, how it's changed. I'll tell you which one is blowing more. I will say, this one does not put as much air as this one does. This one's, I can feel a little temperature difference. This one's good for putting out in the winter. This one's not, because the air is colder. This one has a good wind to it. That's why I like these fans. I hope to find another one, good condition, 12-inch. I do have one, just need to balance it. And that's what sucks about those fans, is that once they're not balanced, it takes a long time to balance them. Okay, so let's see how much it is. Stop rambling. 0.24. There's watts. These fans don't draw that much. Same with those. Medium. You can use it on medium. These I think they had fiber washers, but they're all, or they might have not. But that's the only bad thing about these, is they need fiber washers really badly. And you really can't get to the front bearings unless you push that pin out. I don't know if it destroys it or not, but I'm not going to destroy it, so. Just had a good breeze. I think after a month or two of that using that one, I think I'll switch to this one. Draws. It's really not that loud on high compared to other fans today. It's got a decent amount of air. Okay, here's it oscillating. Draws, and here's a spin down. Has a decent blade pitch. Definitely really cool fans. Show you the, well, here's the back, or forget, or the side. The side, it's got a handle on it. This one's older. It had a wasp nest in it, and I just break it. Just have that cool cover. Trading this one for a different fan, if he can get it, so yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Here's what it's rated for. So it's got a pretty big range of what it's rated for. So yeah, these fans are awesome. It's got a cool base. Well, hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.